application of graphene. And what are the applications? Obviously, they are having the very the high, advantages. That's why we can have the very high, very different sectors where we can use it. Electronics and optoelectronics, which is very obvious, and energy storage. Why? Due to this particular function having the high surface area. Okay, biomedical application and aerospace and automobiles. Limitation, what are the disadvantages? So the mass production difficulties, that is why we are not having seen this particular material everywhere. Just this is just a reason. Mass production is very difficulty. Okay, so high quality graphene is still expensive to manufacture, so it is not easy work to manufacture the graphene. That is a very big and the challenging problem basically. Lack of band gap, which is the concern for the electronics engineers. Okay, so that we can leave here, but it requires the engineers for the semiconductor applications. Scalability issues. Large area graphene synthesized with uniform properties is difficult. As far as a mechanical engineer is concerned, that we need to know that it is a mass production is very difficult, and that's why it is not being seen everywhere as a common material. Okay, being used.